Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to plan my classic happy planner for the next week of January. Which, if you watch my other videos, you'll know is the week of my birthday. So happy birthday to me. Okay, that is where I'm gonna leave it. I used up all of this. Ooh, there's some little sparkles. Put those sparkles out. Now I have used all of the sticker. I also don't know where that came from, so it was a Happy Planner Disney sticker, but how I came upon it, I do not know. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe and notification bell. And I guess I'll see you next week. Bye!